2024 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey has been a family-friendly minivan for the most of its 30 years on the market thanks to its smart features and solid mechanical reputation. Even if sales of minivans have declined recently, the Odyssey nevertheless persuades consumers to choose the family bus. With its powerful V6 engine, smooth ride, stable handling, spacious cabin, and superb practical features, the 8-seater represents Honda at its most iconic. You may arrange the second-row seats in a number of ways with its unique Magic Slide seat system, including a way that will keep rival children suitably apart. To make extra room for cargo, the third row slides into a floor slit. While competitors like the Chrysler Pacifica and Kia Carnival have more technological amenities than the Odyssey's cabin, the Odyssey's infotainment suite delivers more than just the essentials. In addition to keeping kids entertained, the optional rear seat entertainment system includes a PA system that allows parents to talk to their kids over the car speakers or their headphones, as well as an in-car camera that provides a view of the backseat. Children beware, parents truly do have eyes on the back of their heads these days. For the model year 2024, there are no modifications. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 3.5-liter V6 engine, which produces 262 pound-feet of torque and 280 horsepower, is the only engine offered in Odyssey vehicles. Simple specs for a 4,500-pound carrier, but the 10-speed automatic transmission was fine-tuned by Honda specialists to deliver optimal responsiveness. The outcome is a happy driver who is nimble-footed, proficient, and refined. The Odyssey's direction changes are so smooth that drivers may not even realize they are operating a 3-row people box. The Odyssey is still the best driving car in the class, though we wouldn't mind seeing a little bit more feedback from the direct yet light steering. All of the Odysseys we tested have provided a comfortable ride, but we thought the XL trim's 18-inch wheels offered us better protection from uneven roads than the top Elite trim's 19-inch wheels. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Parental units can find most of what they need in the Odyssey. Parental control is aided by the silent cabin, the in-cabin camera and PA system that are available, and the availability of HDMI interface and domestic power outlets. The second and third rows of the Odyssey are among the most spacious in the class. The second-row Magic Slide seats in the Honda are significantly more comfy than the stow-and-go seats in the Pacifica. The chairs may be arranged in a variety of ways that help maintain harmony when sibling rivalry heats up. Maximum cargo room and a little less practicality come at a cost for that comfort. Because each Magic seat weighs 68 pounds, removing it requires some strength, and loading luggage is made more difficult by the floor's sliding tracks. We were able to put one less carry-on luggage in our Odyssey tester than we could have in the Pacifica after we took out the Magic seats and folded down the third row. Infotainment and connectivity. Display audio is an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system standard on all Odyssey models. The software offers 3 ways to connect your smartphone: Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It also lets you customize the menu layout. A rear seat entertainment system with integrated streaming applications is standard on both the Touring and Elite models. Pricing. The 2024 Honda Odyssey ranges in price from $39,635 to $51,765, according on the trim and options. Try the blacked-out Sport trim if you're unsure about purchasing a minivan and need a little more swagger to help you make up your mind. If not, choose the XL. Families will appreciate the opulent touches like leather seats, additional USB outlets in the back, and a power-operated rear liftgate that the base X lacks.